Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime I'm going to be reading Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. This book was copyright 1992 by Shogo Harada, originally published by Joey Incorporated. It was also copyright 1992 by Modern Publishing, a division of Unisystems Incorporated. Long ago, in a kingdom very far away, there lived a young boy named Aladdin, who was the son of a tailor. But Aladdin was very lazy and didn't learn his father's trade. Instead, he spent his days idly and was known as a good-for-nothing. When Aladdin's father died, his mother did her best to care for herself and her son. Aladdin was of no help to her. They were very poor. One day, a well-dressed man saw Aladdin running in the streets. "Nephew!" he rejoiced. Aladdin quickly became entranced by the man. He didn't know the stranger was an evil wizard who had selected Aladdin for a wicked deed. "Take these gold coins to your mother," said the stranger. "Tell her I wish to visit the home of my beloved brother and buy food enough for a reunion feast." Later that night, when the sorcerer arrived, he pretended to be a long-lost relative. Aladdin's mother was suspicious, but when she saw how upset he was to learn of her husband's death, and how caring he was towards Aladdin, she believed him. "I must help my poor nephew find his way in life," lied the magician. "With your permission, I will take Aladdin with me as my apprentice." Aladdin and his mother agreed, and the next day the two set out. When they were far away from the city, the magician stopped walking and asked Aladdin to build a great fire. Then the sorcerer spoke magical words and threw crystals on the ground. Aladdin was startled to see the earth tremble and open up before him. "Wear this ring and enter the caverns below," the wizard ordered. "You will see a lamp in a wondrous garden. Touch nothing with the lamp, or you will come to certain harm. And bring it back to me at once." Aladdin did as he was told, fearing the man's wrath. Once in the caves, Aladdin saw trees with red, green, blue, and white fruit. The red fruits were rubies, the green emeralds, the blue sapphires, and the white diamonds. A vast treasure lay before him. Aladdin filled his pockets with as many of the pretty gems as he could carry. Realizing that no harm had come to him, Aladdin grew suspicious of his uncle. He grabbed the lamp and went back to the opening of the cave. "Uncle, help me up," called Aladdin. "First, pass me the lamp," came the reply. When Aladdin refused to hand over the lamp, the sorcerer angrily shouted another spell. The cave's entrance closed. Aladdin was doomed. Forlorn and afraid, Aladdin wrung his hands together, turning the ring his uncle had given him. There was a flash, and a giant appeared before him. Bewildered, Aladdin looked at the genie in fear. "Master, command me, and I will grant your wish." "Then take me home," cried Aladdin. The genie obeyed at once. Glad for her son's return, Aladdin's mother denounced the wicked man who had deceived them. "I'll polish this lamp and sell it to buy food," she said. Before Aladdin could tell her about the jewels, Aladdin's mother rubbed the lamp. She fainted when a huge genie burst forth. "Master, command me, and I will grant your wish." "Bring us food," Aladdin commanded. In moments, the genie appeared with a golden tray set with a delicious meal. With the power of the lamp and the riches from the caves, known only to himself, Aladdin and his mother lived royally for many years. One day, Aladdin saw the Sultan's daughter and fell in love with her. He sent his mother, laden with the riches from the caves, to win the Sultan's approval and his daughter's love. Never before had the Sultan seen such a wealth of jewels. His own treasury didn't possess such a fortune. Assured that his daughter would be happy, the Sultan granted Aladdin's wish. He and the princess were married immediately. To show his love for her, Aladdin commanded the genie of the lamp to build a splendid palace as a wedding gift to her. Its magnificence was unrivaled anywhere in the world. So great was Aladdin's wealth that news of it traveled far and wide. Soon even the evil wizard heard of Aladdin's good fortune. The wizard left at once in search of the magic lamp and to ruin Aladdin. The magician disguised himself as a merchant and tricked the princess into trading the old lamp for a shiny new one. Then he instructed the genie of the lamp to take the princess and the palace to a far-off land. Aladdin called upon the genie of the ring, who took him to the sorcerer's hideaway. Once Aladdin was reunited with his beloved princess, he destroyed the evil wizard and reclaimed the magic lamp. The genie of the lamp returned Aladdin and the princess to their homeland, where they lived happily ever after. The end. And that was Aladdin and the magic lamp. All right, everybody, are you ready for sing-along? We're going to be doing 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Is everybody ready? Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys straight to bed." All right, everybody. Good job. That was excellent. You can find the link to that song in the description below. Also in the description below, you can find a sand art craft for Genie and the lamp, made with glue and blue and gold glitter. There is also a Hoopla link to the Disney version of Aladdin. It's a read-along ebook. All right, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye!